How to fix CS2 unable to establish the connection with the game server. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. When you see the unable to establish the connection message in the CS2, it usually means your game client is having trouble connecting to the server due to network or the server issues. First of all, you have to restart the CS2 and Steam. Check for the glitches and update software to fix the connectivity issue and verify the CS2 game files in the Steam. Launch Steam, find the Counter-Strike 2 in the library, right-click on it and choose Properties and go to Local Files and click Verify Integrity. Steam will identify and fix any corrupted files, ensuring a clean installation and reducing the connection errors. If server issues cause unable to establish the connection in the CS2, check the Steam status for the updates. Patience is the key. This solution aims to fix the issues promptly. So this was all about it. This is how you can easily fix the CS2 unable to establish the connection with the game server. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.